the last video where I've got footage from the con. It's kind of a mismatch of different stuff that I shot throughout the convention. Mostly because of the fact that I didn't realize that there was footage in this one spot, and then the rest of it I didn't know where to put it. So anyways, here it is. This is the last video of those. The next one will be the haul video, and I will probably do a video that is pictures of the business cards I picked up, just so you guys can actually look at that as well. They're going to be in the description as well. This should all go up probably in the next 48. So all of this should have been up in 48-hour period. So anyways, enjoy.
I'm right for once. Well,
They'll never get it.
Back out on it.
Alright, let me know if you find anything.
Other than the swords, I am not seeing much.
And they're over the top good because they're locally grown Idaho Russians. It's on the park, dude. It's on the park. Lots of...
Like it's like a different country. Where's Daddy?
Why are you guys not clapping? I mean, that was great. Okay, Ed. You're on camera now.
Oh, hi. Alright, so... You enjoying the show?
I've just got an Obi-Wan Kenobi 12-inch from Power of the Force 2.
Okay.
And that was a very limited run. I got it for 20 bucks. So I'm like, you know, that was right before Alex Guinness's family said no.
Right.
So...
So So these are all working intercoms, and they all come with their ammo loadouts. Some of them have extras, like 3D printed parts, or in this case, this one actually comes with a spectrum.
And you're like, this is your
And a
problem.
3D printed front end.
Asking you shall receive, right, son?
Hope you realize you're getting filmed right now, so. Gotta say hi to Tim and make sure he gets on camera. You're being filmed, Tim. It's right here. Got to make sure you're in the video, so.
Okay.
How are you? I'm alive.
That's our thing, then. I'm better than alright. Nope, I'm actually just alright. I fell down outside. It really hurts.
Well, it's better to be alright than dead.
Yes, that's true.
Hell, it's better than being like I am. I'm alive. But hey, it's my birthday and I'm at a con. I'm happy.
Well, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Have some free birthday candy.
Thank you.
Have as much as you want.
Nah. I might come back and hit you up later. You don't know how much that hits me right there. That definitely suits him.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, it only goes up to Smith.
Oh, no, I guess there's only three. I was thinking there was four, but I guess there's only three.
Well, that is the era that brought it back, and it kind of went downhill after that. So the rest at home. I am going to look at this place again. I mean, this is cool. What?
Do you listen to audiobooks?
Doesn't matter either way. I'm filming a YouTube video and you're an author, so.
Actually, I'm a narrator.
Well, still works.
Yeah, it works. Okay.
Actually, how much do you charge?
When I do just straight paid finished hour, it's $250 paid finished hour. I also do royalty share where I cut that by half. So $125 paid finished hour, and then I split royalties with that.
Well, considering this is not probably going to have very many royalties, yeah, probably not yet.
Okay.
I think maybe in the future after I get a couple of them out.
How many words is your book?
Well, it's not a book, it's a short story, and I was going to put it on YouTube.
Okay. Yeah.
And I guess I'll just record it myself because I do voice acting too, so. But I wanted to give you publicity because, you know.
Thanks.
Yep. Time to wrap it up. I'm done. Put a fork in me. See you guys on the flip side. Go ahead and tell me about the game.
Alright, so this is Warrior Brigand Mage. It is a game that I'm developing. I kind of like to call it a cross between Dungeons and Dragons and Candyland. It's set inside the books that I write, the Blade Mage Saga. Some of the characters in the 4th book started playing a game that was similar to this, and so I just developed it. Right now I'm saving up for the final artwork so that we can try and kickstart it later this year.
Well, I'm glad I'm not the only one trying to do this. Nice meeting you,
Nice meeting you.
and I will make sure this gets up there.
Honestly, most participants